It's a certified 2025 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, automatic suspension management, engine auto stop start feature, hands-free liftgate, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, external memory control, voice-activated climate controls, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,